The Intelligent Vehicle Gateway, commonly referred to as the IVG, allows drivers to exchange information with dispatchers and use mobile applications. Drivers use the virtual keyboard to send and receive information when stopped. When opened, a standard QWERTY keyboard overlays the bottom of the screen and drivers tap the keys to type. To close the keyboard and return to the full screen, tap the keyboard button. The IVG provides information in 3 ways. It displays a message on the screen. It plays an alert sound or uses text-to-speech to read text to you.
A new message has arrived.
And it illuminates the indicator lights. The home button's halo lights when you receive an alert from an application or a message. The halo remains lit until the message is read or the alert is canceled or corrected. The halo color represents the notification's importance. Red indicates emergency, orange indicates urgent, and blue indicates normal. If you receive messages of different priorities, the highest priority lights. When red, the next highest priority lights. Drivers interact with the Intelligent Vehicle Gateway by tapping a button or icon on the color touchscreen, opening the on-screen keyboard and typing, or pressing a button or key on the IVG itself. The IVG screen allows the driver to see the most important information at a glance. DOT hours are prominently displayed at the top with any alerts or message notifications. The screen also identifies the communication method available, terrestrial or Wi-Fi, and if voice command is active. The driver taps enabled applications to use them. If an application is grayed out, it's not available on the IVG because it's not licensed or not enabled on that IVG. The driver can scroll among pages to access additional applications, and if in an open application, click the Go Back button to return to the home page. If the driver needs help with the IVG or any application on the IVG, tapping the Help button opens the onboard support system. The IVG has an SD card slot for additional memory, USB ports to attach printers, scanners, keyboards, or a mouse, and a row of LED indicator lights used to troubleshoot problems with the hardware.